This weekend, we handpicked 6 open houses across Coral Gables, and one of them is lying to you about its price. One of these 6 could not sell at under $3 million a few years back. Canceled again, then it expired. And this weekend, that exact same address is asking almost $14 million. Nobody moved it 300 yards. So today, we put our calls on the record before we walk a single door. This drops right before the weekend of July 18th and 19th, and all 6 are Coral Gables open houses. We just published a comprehensive series on Coral Gables and covered everything from what this city is all about to what you can buy here today and for how much. Watch in time and you can walk these same doors with us in person this weekend. Stay to the end because this exact read, every relist, every reset clock, every real cost basis is one we can run on any door you are circling. More on that at the close. Start with the honest one. 11721 Jacaranda Place, $3.75 million, 2 days on the market. And for once, the clock tells the truth. 1 listing, no games. Not waterfront, so it leans on land. A corner lot just over half an acre in the Pinecrest schools. The owners paid $2.5 million in 2022, so the ask is a real move, not a flip. Now the one the market is sleeping on. 9979 Fairchild Way in gated Snapper Creek Lakes, just under $9.5 million. The tell, 12 days in, they quietly relisted it, sheaving nearly $500,000 off the ask and resetting the clock. But the value is not the old house, it is the dirt. 1 3/4 acres backing a protected park with deeded ocean access. Our data values the land alone close to $10 million, on a street where smaller finished lots trade well above $25. Then 5111 Alhambra Circle, brand new construction, $5.75 million on the marquee street. Our history shows 2 listings, which looks like a relist, except one was a rental of the old house that no longer exists. The builder paid $1.2 million for the lot. A clean rookie wearing a scary chain for no reason. This is why the follow-up matters. In a few weeks, we walk every one, grade each call green or red, and track until we know what each actually sold for, or whether it got quietly pulled. And we just posted a 3-part deep dive series on the channel. Go dig in and subscribe so the grades find you first. The long game. 730 Zamora Avenue, a new build at $5.7 million, has sat the longest of the bunch, with the seller yet to blink. And the builder bought that lot for $850,000. Down the road, 1228 Alhambra Circle is a genuine 1927 villa, a protected historic home, beautifully restored, already cut nearly $300,000, and still sitting. Neither is waterfront. The listing spends more words on the original architect than on why the price holds. So tell us, of those 2 long sitters, which one sells first? And does it actually sell or get quietly pulled? Drop the address. And which Coral Gables pocket should we recon next? We walk whatever wins. Which brings us back to the one that started this. 199 Caoba Court in gated Islands of Cocoplum. Back in 2019 and 2020, it tried to sell 3 separate times, around $3 million, then under 3, then it expired. The market said no 3 times. Then it went dark, got completely reimagined, and came back finished in 2025, asking just under $14 million, almost 5 times the last price the market refused. And our records still describe it as the 4-bedroom it used to be, while the listing counts 5. The tax base sits near $2 million. The ask is 14. Not waterfront, and the community famous for it. It backs to a park. So is a 5-fold jump the renovation? Or the hope? That is the door we most want to open. Here is the thing. All 6 came straight off our weekly open house tour, hand-picked across our 3 markets, the San Francisco Bay Area, Los Angeles, and South Florida, with optimized routes on our website. Watching before the weekend? Grab the route and walk Coral Gables with us. Watching after? Subscribe and wait for the grades. And that promise from the top. We can run this exact read, deal by deal, on any house or community you are watching, on this week's numbers, not the stale figure on a portal. Buying or selling here, or anywhere we cover? Send your situation, we will run your numbers. Then, one of our licensed realtors in Florida and California handles the whole transaction. Just want the read on one door? Tell us where to point the cameras. The link is in the description. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.